Hey guys, a little update. Been a while since I've posted anything. I've just been real busy. Kids been sick, weather's been bad, all the good excuses. But anyway, yeah, we've been working on a lot of stuff, slowly working on the house and stuff like that. But now that the weather's getting better, we're gonna get back out on the cars. Still waiting on some parts for the FE build. Hopefully by the end of the month, some of that'll come in. But yeah, we just picked up a new project, and it's a 40 Ford pickup. Gonna put it on an S10 frame, build a little rat rod out of it. Yeah, check out the video. Thanks for watching. See you later. It's a 1940 Ford short bed. I think we're gonna put on an S10 frame. We got the S10 right over there. Fairly straight. Bed needs a little bit of work, and the rear fenders are the rougher part of it. But I think he's going to go with fiberglass wider fenders for the back. And then do some cab corner patch panels and some floor work. It's not too bad. The doors, the cab are really nice and straight. The hood and front fenders are nice. The grill, not so much. So we'll have to look into that, fixing it or making one. The original seat was in it. It's over there, it just needs to be reupholstered. Running boards are nice and straight on it. But yeah, my son, he kind of wants to throw this thing together as quickly as we can. We're going to use as much as we can off of this S10 here. Have to shorten the frame to get it underneath there. I've done a couple of S10 frame swaps, so it's not a big deal. It'll be a little tight in the cab corners, well, front right here, where the front aprons are, but it'll fit. Not sure on the engine yet. Probably gonna go with an LS because we have that other 5.3. Not too sure. Also have a big block, so we'll see. But yeah, we picked this up last night. It was literally not even a mile from our house. So some really nice folks had it, and they helped us get it out of the field it was sitting in and onto the tow truck. We would have just flat towed it, but the tires are bad and rear end's knocked sideways in there. And it's got some homemade brackets somebody put in there at one time. It has a clear title with the actual California pink slip, and it's been off the road for at least over 40 years. I think that's what they said. So it ought to be a fun little build, and I'll put up more videos on it as we go. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye. Battery cables. That's where they have the battery mounted for sure.